Hello, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how to use AddPicto. So the first thing you're going to do is install it, and once you have, you can launch it under add-ons. And once you have launched it, you will see it launch on the right-hand side here. And first, you'll notice that there's a bunch of different shapes, and you want to select one. Let's say I want to select this one here. And once you have done so, you have the option of searching Unsplash or uploading an image from your desktop into your Google Drive or searching icons. For this, I'm just going to search into Unsplash, and I'm going to search for city. Okay, great. So once I've searched for city, let's find one that's kind of neat. That looks nice. Yeah, why not? And once you've done that, you can then click on Insert. And what that will do is it will add it onto your slides, like so. But actually, this isn't what I want. I actually want to rotate the shape. You'll notice that I can rotate the shape, but the image itself will not rotate. So I'm gonna, and oh, you can also flip if you want, but this is what I wanted. So I've got the inserted item selected, and I'm gonna say Insert Picto again. And what that will do is whatever you have selected will update based upon whatever you have set here. Great, that's actually what I wanted. So the next thing I'm gonna do is select the shape. I'm gonna select this one. And then I'm going to choose search icons. And I'm gonna do light. Okay, and I'm gonna select this plain icon here. And I'm gonna change this color to white. And I'm going to change the color of this icon to, I don't know, like something like that. That looks pretty good. And again, you could rotate the icon as well as flip it, but this is fine. I'm going to now insert that. Great. There we go. And I'm just going to reduce the size of this thing like so. And let's put that over here, and let's put that over here. Sure, why not? Right. And actually, let's make that a little bit smaller still. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it, and I'm gonna put that over here, and you'll see why in a little bit. And let's put that a little bit further. Yeah, that's fine. And now I'm gonna search for train, and that looks good. I'm gonna insert, again, I have this selected, and it's just gonna update whatever I've selected. And I'm just going to use the line tool, the elbow connector, and I'm going to select here and select here. I'm going to change the color to white, increase the line to 3 pixels. Sure, why not? And then I'll do it again for here. And again, make the color white and select this to 3 pixels. Great. Then the last thing I'm going to do is select this middle point and reduce it down. And do the same for this one. So, and you can see that essentially what I've done is created a simple diagram or an infographic. So I'm gonna just have a little thing here, like so, and say 3 hours. Oop, gonna make this a little bigger. There you go. And I'm gonna make that bold. And I'm just gonna place that here and 1, 2, copy and paste. Put that over here, 2, and let's do this at 9 hours. Great, and I'm just going to change the color of both of these to match the color of the icons. And voila, you know what? I don't like this one. Let's change that. So what I can do is go back to the shape screen, select this, and then I can click on Edit Selected, and what I'll do is it'll bring up the shape again and allow me to replace the shape. And I'm just going to select the color of white and click on Insert. And again, I have this selected. And what it will do is update the shape. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Actually, I gotta move this down. Oops. Like so. There we go. A little bit more. And yeah, so there you go. So now you have an infographic showing that you can take a flight to this destination, which will take you 3 hours, or take the train to this destination for 9 hours. All right, that's it. Hope you give this a try and let me know what you think of it. Thank you.